Hey guys, so guess what? Alright, the camera came. Let's unbox it together. Oh, opened it the wrong way. See that? It's upside down. Oh my gosh! How the camera looks like. So, it's not my first time of using camera, so. First of all is accessories. I'm not sure what I need to use this for, but oh, okay, so this is the charger. I'm gonna figure out what all these stuff are for. This is the battery. I'm giving 2 batteries. Memory card, only 32 GB. Only 32 GB, yikes. I'm gonna have to buy another one. Since I'm using MacBook, I'm gonna have to use the mount of it. I think it's the same use as of this one. That's all for accessories. This is actually the camera. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. This is so cute. How the hell am I supposed to open this? Also, it's a flip screen. So it's a flip screen. I can see myself when I do this, but I need to go and turn it on so it can work. See, it's a flip screen. See how that is? That is so flipping nice. I don't know if I want to remove the cover of the lens. Is it bad if I don't? I mean, if it doesn't affect it, I don't want to take it off just for protection. I'm trying to like figure out how you open the battery compartment. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I figure this out. Finally, now that the battery is in, actually not that bad. Honestly speaking, it's pretty sharp too, so this is how the camera looks like. I think that is supposed to be the cover. Yes, guys, I made it. Honestly speaking, I don't really have anything yet to say because I haven't tested it out. But for the price, I would say it's pretty bright. I can't do that. I don't know if I should remove the sticker. It's getting bubbles all over it. It's actually not bad. Look at that. The picture is not bad. Probably because right now it's night, so you're not gonna see the value of this. Like, as in, say what? Okay, guys, I figured out how to make the camera work. Autofocus is by itself, so it was a nice journey trying to make this work. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it with the camera. It's already night, so I can't really film or anything like that. This is the end of the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming video because I'm going to be using this camera and seeing how it should work. So stay tuned for the next video. See you next time.